Hello, sorry. I'm going to show you how to do a listing that's under a different category. Basically, the second category we deal with. Also, I'll show you a different shipping deal. This will be a regular shipping item, not freight. I'm just going to focus on this. It's a power amplifier. It's avionics. Avionics for airplanes are basically the computers that help it fly. So this is a power amplifier. This is that 8130 I was talking about. So there you go. So this is the part number, apparently. This one right here. And there's going to be a different info to put on here. Power amplifier. There's all kinds of stuff that could go in here. KAC 952. KAC 952. There's no right or wrong way. I mean, kind of to do this, you just really need to do a little digging and looking and seeing if there's model numbers or part numbers or whatever to help describe this item, because this is what Google searches the title. So the more information you have in here, the better Google, someone will search for something, it'll pop up on Google. Oh yeah. What condition it is, I think it's overhauled. Oh, repaired. Repaired. 8130. Oh, I forget what kind it is. Oh yeah, it's Honeywell. Honeywell, let's see here. Oh, it's a Bendix King. Right there. Bendix King. Bendix King. Okay, I think that's enough. And probably could fit more stuff in there, but okay, so see, based upon this title, it automatically picked this other category. It's under avionics. And like I said, you can, if it's not pre-picked, you can search, aircraft, and then find, see, there's all these different, where you could do avionics. Audio panels. You could just do avionics. There you go. And then again, it's in remanufactured condition. And again, we can do contact for better shipping rate. Repaired by Honeywell. So on the 8130, you can tell who did what. See up here, it says organization name and address. This is the company that made the repair. So you just let them know that Honeywell, repaired by Honeywell. And that's about it for now. We'll just leave it at that. And then we'll add the photo. I forget which. Let's try it this way. Yizers. I don't even know where this was. What part number is that? 064. I should have looked this up beforehand. 06. I don't. Goodness. Let's try this. Hopefully I can drag and drop it. Ah, yeah, that'll work. And then this will be the front page, which I guess we can put that one as the front. There should be more pictures, but I'm just doing this as an example for you. Put the manufacturer part number in there again. And then since it has a model number, some of these items have model numbers and part numbers. You can, yeah, just click that. You can, oh, you always want to put 30-day warranty, and then compatible model. There you go. Put that in there. And then again, put this in here. I'll do that. Oh, what the? We'll copy and paste this in there. And then I don't even know how much these things are worth. This is a website that you'll be dealing with to research things for the most part. I'll do this as an example there. We'll copy and paste the part number in here. This is a aircraft parts website. Okay, so there's a bunch of them out there. So you can use that too. You know, you see all these, there's 186 companies with this item. So the chances are, I mean, that this thing's not going to be worth that much. I mean, it is worth a lot, but considering how much it was worth, this thing was probably worth $100,000 new back in the day. But now, since there's so many out there, it's only 15 grand. And then that's overall exchange probably. So we rather do ours outright. All these terminologies you'll eventually get a hold of. Well, price. Even with all this stuff, all these pricing, they're a little questionable. They're not really spot. Some of them sometimes are spot on, sometimes they're not. This is like an aggregate of different pricing that all these companies post, so it's not always accurate. We'll just do and here's another tool that I'm going to have you part of. This is our database for all the parts we own that we have. And we'll just see, sometimes if you type in the part number, because we'll have it in here, there'll be a note in there. So we got two of them. List is 3,400. Yeah, see, it was 120 grand. Okay, so the note states Lake County Avionics has them outright for 3,800. So, I mean, the best we can probably sell this thing for is 3,500. So that's what we'll put this thing at. So the pricing thing with this is a cat and mouse game. I mean, you could actually call up some of these companies, and you probably will, and go, "Hey, how much do you want for your, blah 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 blah?" And they'll go, "Well, we want, whatever." And then you go, "Okay, well, that's how much they're going for," and just price ours under that, like, a few $100s sometimes under that, and then you'll have to make a little note in here, but we'll go over that later. I'm just showing you how the pricing works. So domestic returns. Okay, this isn't freight because this thing weighs probably about 20 pounds. So we'll do calculated. Most of the time we'll do calculated, and then we'll choose. I always like to choose two possibilities and always choose UPS. You first do a UPS ground, and then you do a UPS next day air. And do same day, same business day. Okay, with the handling costs, you always want to take the price and times it by 12%. So 3,500 times 0.12. So the handling will be around $400. It doesn't have to be spot on, but you know. Then you kind of want to over guesstimate. We'll do international selling and calculate and do worldwide international standard delivery. Handling costs the same thing, but then you have to enter in your dimensions. You kind of want to over guesstimate things. If you're not like 100% sure or whatever, ask me and I'll let you know, the general dimensions of it. But you always want to overdo it because the customer will pay for it more likely. So the thing only weighs probably about 20 pounds, so we can just do 25 pounds. And it's a box the size of maybe a family size cereal box. So we'll do like 18 by, again, just over guesstimate it, 18 by 18. All right, and that's it for that one. And you want to kind of go over what you've done. Same day set, same day handling time. There, cost by vary location. We can do that. Always do that. 30 days. Require immediate payment. I think that's good to go. You can add little things here. I think everything looks good. Yeah. All right. That's that. I'll do another one, a smaller item to show you one more time. And I'll see you later. Bye.